you can't use this picture right now Facebook comment. Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you step by step on how to fix a problem which says you can't use this picture right now Facebook comment. So if you want to like make a comment on a Facebook post like this one, but if you try to make the comment, like Facebook is not allowing you, Facebook is like restricting you from making comment on a on a Facebook. So in this video I'll show you step by step on how to fix this problem. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. So there is three steps that you need to follow to fix this problem. First of all, now after you open up now your mobile phone like this, now go ahead now and start by opening your Play Store or App Store and search for Facebook like this. Make sure to search for Facebook like this now. After you search for Facebook, so make sure to go ahead now and update your Facebook. So as you can see now, my Facebook now needs updates. Now tap on this one and update your Facebook. After you update your Facebook app like this now go back without opening the Facebook. Now don't open the Facebook now. Go ahead now and restart your mobile phone. Now restart your mobile phone. After you restart your mobile phone, from there, now after you restart your mobile phone, now go back and open the Facebook app. So open the Facebook app like this now. After you restart your mobile phone, now open the Facebook app and try to make the comment. If you try to make the comment and still you get the same message which says you can't use this picture right now while trying to make the comment, so now try this second method. So the second method to fix this problem, all you have to do now, after you open up now your Facebook app like this now you can tap on this option at the top. After you come to this menu, now scroll all the way to down and tap on this lockout button. Now go ahead and log out on your Facebook account. After you log out on your Facebook account, then from there, now you can just go ahead now and swipe down and change your internet connection. If you are using mobile data, go ahead now and change it to another line, or if you are using another network. So if you are using more Wi-Fi, go ahead and change the Wi-Fi to another Wi-Fi to test it. So after you change another Wi-Fi, now go back and log in again. After you log in again, now from there your problem may be solved. So but if you try all this method and still your problem has not been solved, so but if you try this method and still you are getting the same error, all you have to do now, after you open the Facebook, now just go to your menu at the top right side. After you come to this menu, now scroll to down. If you scroll to down, go to this support, as you can see now, help center, this one. After you come to this help center, now it will allow you to send a message to Facebook directly. So now by sending the message to Facebook directly, now you should just explain to them that you are having problem while trying to make a comment on your Facebook account. After you send the message, the next thing to do is now you should stop following, you should stop liking people posts, and you should stop commenting on Facebook, and you should stop accepting friend requests, and you should stop sending friend requests to other people. Do this for like 3 days. Stop doing all this action for 3 days. Stop liking, stop commenting, and stop like accepting friend requests and like adding people to your friends on Facebook. So if you try this one for like 3 days, from there your problem will solve. Just try this for 3 days. Stop doing all these actions for 3 days. Sometimes if you perform too many actions in a short time, so from there Facebook will flag your account as like a robot account. So stop doing this, all these actions will help Facebook to detect that your account is a real human facing account, not a robot account. So if you try this method and still it's not working for you, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll help you to fix this problem for you. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll meet you in the next video.